It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton. Today we're looking at the 2020 GMC Terrain SLT. We'll start by taking a look inside the front of the Terrain. On the driver's door, we've got power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors. We've also got the programmable memory seat, an auto express window, and the child lock buttons. Here we have the power liftgate button, and the SLT model does come with the premium Bose sound system. Here we have the power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support. Up above, we've got the power moonroof. Next, I'll climb right in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. On the left side of the steering wheel, we've got the cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and a heated steering wheel button. On the right side, we've got the audio buttons. Here we have the digital dash. We can scroll through the dash by pushing the arrow buttons located on the steering wheel. Up above, we've got the programmable garage door opener, power moonroof buttons, and OnStar. Here we have GMC's infotainment center with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This screen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also got navigation, and it doubles as our backup camera. Here we have the push start button, dual climate control with air conditioning, park reverse drive buttons, some USB and power plug-ins, heated front seats, hill descent control, lane departure alert, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and off-road mode. At the front of the SLT, we've got fog lights, 19-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, a 2-liter turbo engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the turn signal indicator. We've got black roof rails up top, rear tinted windows. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. Those logos and emblems are all blacked out throughout the back of the Terrain. We've also got the rear window wiper and washer, as well as the power lift gate. So we can pop that open with the push of a button. In the back, it's quite spacious. We've got the levers to fold that second row seating down, a power plug-in, cargo hooks, and a storage compartment located down below. Last, we'll take a look in the back of this 5-passenger crossover. On the passenger door, we've got power windows. On the backs of both front seats, we've got seat pockets. On the back of the center console, we've got 2 USB plug-ins and a 120-volt power plug-in. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. And the rear seats fold down with ease by pulling the lever located on the top of the seat for those longer, larger items we'd like to stow away in the back. So come take a look at the 2020 GMC Terrain SLT today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.